Hey guys, this is Matthew Sturkey with Stone Mill Log and Timber Homes. Thanks for joining us. We're here on a hot Friday afternoon. We're going to take a little deeper dive into the Prestwick design, which is our upcoming plan of the month for July. One of our signature plans, one of our oldest designs, and really one of my favorites. And I want to take a deep dive and do kind of a walkthrough, not only looking at the floor plan, which you can look at on our website, but also look at some pictures that some of our clients have shared with us that we've done photo shoots on over the years that kind of capture the beauty and essence of this particular design. The Prestwick is 3,294 square feet. It's 2 stories. It's 1,664 square feet on the main floor, 1,630 on the upper level. It's got a master suite on the main, which I love as I get older. Being on the main level is ideal for me, and having access to everything. So as we take a look, not only at the floor plan that we've got here shown on the right side, but on the left, we're going to do a little bit of a walkthrough image tour and kind of show you each room and what that room could look like. Of course, this is all custom build, custom design, so you can make this design whatever you want it to be, whatever changes you want, and whatever finishes and fixtures that you want. So as you can see on the left side of the screen, it's the exterior of the image. I love the balance and the traditional look of this particular design, the 2 story that looks like an old farmhouse would have looked back in the day. It was, as I said, one of our signature plans. Fireplaces that fit both the left and right side. As you can see, you've got fireboxes not only in the living room, in the master bedroom, but also in this little family room, sitting room off the kitchen in the back. So as we move through some of these images, we're starting at looking at the front of the house. As you can see, the front porch is accentuated with timber construction, timber post and headers and rafters. And then if you want to do heavy timber rail and spindle construction as well, that is an option. But I just love this setting, deep in the pines and sitting in the rocking chairs. It's just such a great feel and such a great image that captures what this front porch would feel like from this design. The next picture is looking at the front of the house through the front doors as you open into this spacious foyer area, coming into the foyer with the staircase going up to the upper floor, as well as if you wanted to have a lower level basement under this, you would have the staircase going down underneath the staircase going up. So that is the entry shot. When you enter the house, you come into an open foyer, as you see here. You've got the staircase to your right. You've got the master bathroom door or entry door onto your right, and then to your left is the living room, a big open, expansive living room. And so I just love this feel walking into an open vaulted ceiling with a timber floor system with totally roof ceilings. It's just a great way to enter this house. Captures just such a great feel when you come in. And then to your left, this is a different house. This is actually our model decorated for Christmas. I just love this picture because you've got this nice big cased opening that looks into the living room. You've got a fireplace centered with flanking windows on either side. You've got an awesome place to put a Christmas tree, and then you've got a lot of ability to put furniture. So this would typically be your living room. You would have a TV over the mantel if you desired, couches and chairs set up. We've kind of got it set up as a little bit more of a formal living area for guests. And then as you move through the house into more of the back section where let's say the dining room is, this is a picture from this family room, from this couch looking into the kitchen. And then the next image is looking from the kitchen back into the family room. You can see they've got the fireplace, the TV above the fireplace. You've got a timber ceiling with exposed beams and tongue groove. You've got cabinetry and an island. So I love this kitchen area with a pantry off of it, and then access to not only a porch off of this side, which could become a mudroom if you want to do and close out. You've also got a sitting porch, or what you could do is a screen porch on the left, which is a great idea. What this particular client did is just screened it in. So it's a great place to sit, and overflow outdoor sitting area with a table for eating. You can see the timber porch construction, just the same as the front porch, with exposed beams, rafters, tongue groove, timber post and headers. Just a great feel. And then moving a little forward into the bedroom. This is a totally different house that had the master on the main. You've got the front windows. Normally you'd have a twin window in the middle, but you've got this fireplace that's on the gable end, and then your bedroom wall would be against the staircase wall. So just a great look, great feel. You can change the stain colors for the interior. You can change your chink colors. You can mix and match if you want to. I just like this pickled white option. That's why I wanted to share this. This is just different, very unique. It's a pickled white stain with a whitewash ceiling. So if you like that color coordination, then that's certainly an option for you as well. As we move our way to the upstairs, you've got the ability to do vaulted ceilings. This would be basically one of the bedrooms upstairs, like bedroom 2, where you have basically vaulted ceilings. If you so choose, we can do a conventional roof with flat ceilings, or we can do a conventional roof with a vault, or we can do a timber roof in this front section. So let us know what look you want upstairs. But what a great guest room this would be. Very spacious bedroom upstairs. All the bedrooms are 17 by 17, so very large bedrooms if you need more spacious bedrooms. Then as you move into the hallway, this is basically coming up the stairs at the loft area. Totally different design or a different project that we did. You kind of see how you get to the top of the stairs, and then you can flank off into one bedroom or the other, and you've got this little sitting loft right here in this little window, underneath this window in the front. And then as you move over to the other bedroom, you can see that this is another option, having a fireplace upstairs in the bedroom with a vaulted. This is basically a conventional vaulted roof with deco rafters and tongue groove ceiling. So this was a conventional roof system that did recessed lighting. You could also incorporate the timber roof, as we just saw as well. So again, very spacious open bedroom, 17 by 17 dimension. This is the other side, which would be in bedroom 3. Same kind of concept. They're pretty much mirror images of each other, and they just did the bed walls on these interior walls as opposed to on the outside walls. So these are the different images. I hope this has been a helpful walkthrough. Please feel free to check out more images on this particular design on our website. This particular model and design is called the Prestwick and can be modified in any way, shape, or form. We have our own design department that gives you the ability to customize these plans specifically for your needs and wants. But I hope you enjoy the Prestwick model, which is our floor plan of the month for July. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any of us in our sales department to ask questions or see how we can help with your design. Take care, and we look forward to hearing from you.